Hello, welcome to Eek Events. So today we're prepping for an event happening tomorrow where we'll be hosting the Ric Flair and Espionage and Sabotage. So this is just me quickly checking over the Ric Flair kit, and I would love to know what you think is happening here with me lifting up every single box and looking underneath it. So please do let me know. Now, let's put everything back. Have a look in the secret final chest, and it can show off. Put them all back again, and looks like we forgot something. 10 cards. Now, quickly check over Espionage.
Bomb is armed and extremely dangerous. Bomb is armed and extremely dangerous.
Yep, you heard that correctly. You definitely didn't sound suspicious in the slightest. So now we just put everything back again. Oh, I know, Boogie. Boogie's very important for the process. I believe now we're checking we've got some super glue and some batteries and some black electrical tape, because those are the most used things in case of any issues. And everything goes back very Tetris style. Everything does have its own place. If you try hard enough, and we're done. Thank you.